Hey, Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2009 Honda Rebel 250, CMX250. This is Honda's entry-level 249cc parallel twin, 4-stroke engine, carbureted, 5-speed transmission, lightweight, low seat height, very easy to ride, very good starter bike to learn how to ride motorcycles. Very nimble, great around town. This bike is in great condition. 5,521 miles on the odometer. This motorcycle is all stock, runs great. Brand new front tire. This 2009 Honda Rebel 250 is offered at $29.95. Stop by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach us at 408-730-0600.